Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and MTrade software. In the series of Market Decoded, we will see how week was and what are the key levels for coming week. So in the previous week, we have seen the good momentum on the higher side and we have seen the gain near about by the 3.5%. Now we are on the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart we just try to understand the structure from the lines or price action perspective. So touching the bottoms, this is the particular channel that we were using it for the long time. So prices were respecting this particular channel. On the higher side, this is how it unfolds. So we get in a perfect channel over here. In between, prices has broken this channel as well, but this breach of a channel was due to the time-wise corrections, not a price-wise actions. And after the breach of this level, we haven't seen any kind of the immediate support level which is taken out. Now the things are into the consolidation patch, but there are certain kind of the tractions that we have started to see on the high side. Now this patch, if I have to try to understand with the another lines, so we kept on seeing certain kind of the resistance level or from past 3 to 4 months, prices has been in the range of the 15,000 on the higher side and 14,300, 200 on the lower side, and it has consumed a good amount of time over there. But this week we have seen the breach of that range, that is in a 15,100 level, and now from a falling trend line we have seen the breakout over there and it has closed on that. So this is a positive development we can say. Now who is driving this entire kind of the momentum? So we know that means engine of the market is the banking stocks because it is having a good amount of the weightage over there. Now if I look at the Nifty Bank chart, and if we try to understand the intensity of the fall earlier that has happened, so let's say after the first wave of the COVID, we have seen the three major corrections. Now if we try to measure the intensity of the corrections over here, we can understand that whenever the prices has fall down, so let's say this time it has come down, it was near about by 22%. This time it has again come down, it was near about by 20%. Again here we have seen the one more fall. So again it was near about 19%. So in this 1 year we have seen the three major corrections in a Nifty Bank, and these all corrections motamoti we can say that this is near about a 20% corrections, and thereafterwards the prices has picked up its momentum. So the same thing is happening over here, and recently we have seen the very strong bull candle in a week Bank Nifty chart, and we have seen the kind of breakouts from this. Now this breakout has happened, so does it mean that from the start of the week uh, we will see the positive momentum on the high side? Not necessary actually. Means after the strong momentum we may see a certain kind of retracement can happen. So let's say if I'm looking at the daily chart, prices has formed a very strong expanded range candle. In our educational sessions normally we see that if the prices are retracing up to the half percent of it, that is fine, and this is what my previous resistance level, so my gold reversal level I can say. So prices has given the close near about by 34,600 level. If the prices are coming or retracing down near about 34,100 level to 34,200 level, then it will be a part of corrections or intermediate corrections we can say, but it will not a negative momentum as such we can say. So this is what a positive momentum that has unfolded. With this momentum we have seen the prices come at my previous band. So for the further push on the high side, if the prices are picking its momentum on the 34,600 level on the high side, so this will give a good momentum on the higher side. So this is something from the perspective of the Nifty Bank. In a nutshell, we can say that overall momentum is a positive. Intermediate corrections can happen. Immediate support level that we are having is a 34,100 level, and this is what our next best support level, 33,300 level. The broader ranges is there, and once we see the prices are started to pick up its momentum above the 34,600 level, so it will be the next trajectory for the Bank Nifty we can say. Coming back to the Nifty side, so Nifty has given the breakout from this level, and on the higher side we are having the reactions right now in this range. So from a very immediate perspective, 15,300 level to 15,400 level is the immediate resistance point for it. As far as the support levels are concerned, 15,100, that is what an immediate support level, followed by 14,880 level, from where we have started to see some sorts of reactions. So in a nutshell, the Nifty seems to be in a positive trajectory. Immediate supports are 15,000 level and 14,900 level near about, and on the high side 15,300, 15,400 is our immediate resistance level. View remains positive, and whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.